Howdy folks, Joel from BZB TV here live at InfoComm 2018 Las Vegas. Now we are standing right outside our friends Kramer. We're about to take a closer look at their VIA line of wireless presentation systems.
Hi, this is Matt Kopin coming to you from the show floor at InfoComm 2018. I'm the product manager for the Kramer VIA platform of products. VIA is a family of products that really supports our wireless collaboration and presentation. As you can see behind me, there are a number of different products in the family here, ranging from the VIA Go all the way up through our VIA Campus Plus. And here at the show, we're actually introducing two new products, our VIA Connect Plus and our VIA Campus Plus. Both of these products offer simultaneously wired and wireless presentation, which means you can put both wired and wireless presenters up on the screen at the same time. It also means that there's no control system needed. You don't have to choose between wired or wireless. You can bring guest users in and have them connect wired, and you can have people connecting and presenting wirelessly. So the VIA platform is really designed to allow you to connect any number of users, no matter what device they're on, whether they're using wired or wireless solutions, and bring them all onto the same screen. And in addition to just being able to allow you to present, they also allow you to collaborate, sharing files, whiteboarding and annotation, full iOS mirroring and Chromebook support, even enterprise management. So if you deploy a number of VIAs throughout your facility, we have our VIAware and our VIA site management, which will allow you to actually control and manage all of these products across your network. So a lot of new things here at InfoComm. For more information about the VIA products, you can visit www.kramerav.com. And for purchasing, you can visit bzbexpress.com.